part of the top management, but generally they will be at the higher level. And then we have the master black belt who will develop the KPIs and the metrics, and the green and black belts. I generally master black belts are only one or two in the whole company. So all of you can try to become one such person in your company, and your future will be very very bright if you prefer to become a master black belt. So you have started the journey at the very right time, and you can find only maximum 1 or 2% in even a big companies like big companies we have seen. So there also you will see only 1 or 2 master black belts. And green and black nowadays have become very popular, and many people even dilute the program, and then there is no meaning of just having a certificate, but make sure you learn thoroughly, live up to the certification through effective participation. And then yellow belts or the members reporting to the green belts or the project team members. They can participate in the meeting, help in the data collection, and whatever work assigned they will be performing. And anyone working in the project, even if it is from some other department working in your project, make sure he is an yellow belt. Okay. So what is the difference between the model which we are talking right now and the traditional model that has been followed in the company? One is classic business model, what generally we observe in the company. The other one is operational excellence model or the Six Sigma business model. You can call it either way, right? In the classical business model, profit is price minus cost. Profit is price minus cost. Revenue minus expenditure. Right? Revenue minus expenditure is the profit. And the better quality means modern technology, modern machinery, highly skilled people. That means better quality comes with higher cost. Hope everything is logical. This is how we define quality. However, on the other side, in an operational excellence model or the Six Sigma model, better quality means better business. Better quality means better business. And better quality means less defects, less rework, less buffer, low cycle time. In short, better quality comes with lower cost. How many of you are able to accept the second statement? Better quality can happen only at lower cost. How many of you still believe high quality can happen only with higher cost? Is that okay? The second statement? All of you are able to believe? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that means you really don't require big machineries and then modern technologies. People are crazy about talking the latest technology, Industry 4.0 and other things. But but when you understand the operational excellence approach and then the effective tools and techniques, you can do a lot before talking about Industry 4.0. That is my point. You can do a lot of improvement in your company before actually digitizing everything. What is the point of digitizing a wrong process? Make it perfect and then go for digitization. So better quality product and services can come at a lower cost. So simply stated, quality comes from meeting customers